a comprehensive model for the optical transmission for determining the optimal thickness and figure of merit of all-doped ZNO films as transparent conducting coatings. By Juan Carlos Alonso Utro and Augusto Garc e Valenzuela. In this work, a comprehensive model for the optical transmission as a function of wavelength and thickness of ZNO. UL films deposited on glass substrates by ultrasonic spray pyrolysis is developed. The mathematical expression developed for the transmission of the transparent conducting film on a transparent substrate considers 1. The interference effects of multiple specular reflections of coherent light from the front and the back of the flat parallel-sided interfaces film air and film glass substrate. 2. The contribution of free carrier concentration, electrons in the conduction band due to UL doping, to the weak absorption in the visible and near-infrared range. 3. The Urbach tail absorption edge at the low wavelength region, less than 400 nanometers. 4. The effect of surface diffuse scattering of light originated by the roughness of these interfaces on the specular reflection and transmission coefficients. The wavelength dependence of the coefficients of reflection and transmission, and the absorption coefficient of the ZNO. UL film in the low absorption visible region, 400 to 800 nanometers, were calculated from the formulas derived for the refractive index and extinction coefficient by using a Lorentz-Drude expression to separate the contribution of the bound electrons and free electrons, respectively, to the complex dielectric function, the carrier concentration and DC electrical conductivity of the ZNO. UL films were measured using Hall effect and current voltage measurements in the Van der Poel configuration. The optical transmission of the films, in the range of wavelengths from 190 to 1100 nanometers, was measured using an UV-Vis spectrometer. The fitting of the semi-empirical formula for the optical transmission with the experimental transmission spectrum for each film was good, and the effects of the different parameters involved in the model was evidenced. The formulas derived here for the optical transmission can be used for a more precise determination of previously defined figures of merit for these type of films for their use as transparent conductive electrodes as a function of thickness of ZNO, UL. The correctness of the figures of merits considered and the usefulness of the model for selecting the optimal thickness for a transparent conductive contact was discussed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.